little one. Let's read sound words with pictures. Please repeat after me. Words. Bun. This is a bun which you eat in burger. Bun. Run. The boy is running. Run means bhagna. Sun. This is sun. Fun. These kids are having fun with their teacher at school. Words. Mug. This is a mug in which you drink milk. Rug. Rug means a carpet. Dug. Dug means when you dig a hole. When earlier you have dig a hole in the ground, like the boy dug a hole in the garden, means boy ने एक garden की मिट्टी में वहाँ पर एक hole कर दिया था by taking out the soil. Jug. This is a jug. Bug. This is a bug, like a ladybug, insect. Tug. Tug means to pull something suddenly or very hard. जब हम कुछ खींचते हैं, to pull. At words. Hut. This is a hut. But. But means lekin. I want to play out, but it is raining. Nut. This is a nut. Cut. Cut means to cut something, maybe with knife or with scissors. Up. Words. Cup. This is a cup in which we drink coffee or tea. Pup. Pup means dog's baby. Words. Cub. Cub means tiger's baby or lion baby is called a cub. Tub. This is a tub. We take bath in tub and we also wash clothes in the tub. Rub. Like I'm rubbing my fingers. We rub our hands in winters to make them warm. So these were the sound words. Watch this video again and repeat all the sound words after me. Bye-bye for now.